सर वेट वेट बोथ ऑफ यू वेट एक साथ में फोटो करते हैं। फोटो करते हैं पीछे ये रुको ना जरा यार। अरे उधर का मूवमेंट अगर सर ये भाई हाथ नीचे फोटो ये पीछे चलना यार, पार्टी चलना यार। चलो चलो पीछे आराम से सर वेट नाइस लुक सर नाइस लुक। जिम सर यहाँ पर देखिए जिम सर यहाँ पे सामने जिम सर थैंक यू जिम सर थोड़ा वन इसके पीछे हुई है ना। थैंक यू किधर का पोस्टर वाला किधर गया? अरे नहीं चेक मोबाइल नीचे। अरे नंबर सेंटर सेंटर नागासा एक साथ में नाइस लुक अन्ना नाइस लुक अन्ना
अब सबने ये गाना देखा ना?
दो बार
But what I wanted to say about this Gana is that we generally happen to get songs which is, you know, when a boy is heartbroken and all of that, you have like, you know, fun take on sad songs, you have male perspective on songs. But this is a female perspective, fun take on a heartbreak.
Woo!
Did that describe it enough? Yes. Now I'm going to see a lot of reels on this, guys. You better make reels on this.
100%. With those kind of lyrics, watch out.
Yeah. Okay, you have to. Now I'm going to stop.
No, stay with us. Yes, Vipul ji, please join the anchor producer Vipul Agarwal ji, please join us on stage. Somebody who is the Kuber of eloquence. Probably one of the most well-spoken gentlemen who can probably be the spokesperson for this country. Dalatahil ji, please come up on stage. He had no clue I was talking about him, I think. And अगर स्पोर्ट की बात करें तो इन पे जब पहली पहली नजर पड़ी, we all knew we had a Kubera of talent. Jim Salab, ladies and gentlemen, Jim, looking stunning. In his dhoti, I think his stage में ना जगह नहीं है, मैं नीचे आ जाती हूँ. Alright. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the Kubera of charm, the Kubera of simplicity. Somebody said very well, the Arjuna of cinema itself. Nagarjuna sir, please! इनको कोई इंट्रोडक्शन की जरूरत है? I think मेरा सौभाग्य है क्योंकि धनुष सर का बर्थडे मेरी माँ के साथ आता है और मुझे सिनेमा पूरी नजर आती है क्योंकि अगर सिंपलिसिटी, वर्सेटैलिटी और स्टारडम तीनों एक इंसान में है तो आप मेरे साथ प्लीज जॉइन अस।
बाद में एवरीवन हियर
डार्लिंग फैंस, थोड़ी सी शांति। ये जो हम
आप बताओ कैसा लग रहा है?
एक शाइनेस देखते हैं तो
Dhanush was just brilliant in the film. Like you have said, I don't know what he is yesterday. I don't know what he's going to be tomorrow. But that's the way he changes himself. And on the sets, he was completely into his character. Unbelievable how he gets into it. And hats off to Dhanush. I'm so glad to be working with him, and also the producers and everybody. Thank you for so much love. Thank you for all the
you have to stay with us. There's lots of questions for you, but because we have everyone, I want you to stick around because you are our core right now. I'm going to come to Jim since you mentioned him. Jim, you've got Naksa and loving your craft. That's huge!
Most of my scenes actually were with Naksa and I loved it. He made me feel so comfortable and relaxed on set. He made me feel like, I was saying all my lines in Telugu, which I do not usually speak. So, and I was with one of the... To learn the lines? Yes, definitely. I had to really rattle them. No, I don't want to give anything away, but yes. And Naksa made me feel so comfortable, so relaxed, and I knew I was with such an enormous and talented star, and he never made me feel that at all. He made me feel like he was just another player in the scene, and we needed to do the scene as best as could possibly done. So thank you so much, honestly. Thank you.
That's a fanboy moment. What is the different take from when you do a film like this? Because it's huge and yet it has its heartland in a very simple way. What was different for you playing this role and being a part of this magnanimous team?
Well, it always felt like an enormous film right from the beginning. When I got the what's it called? Narration. When I got the narration from the team and Shekhar Kamula sir, then he pretty much said to me, "This is an author-backed role. You just do it." I was like, "Okay, all right, I'll do it."
Was it a challenge for you because you get into the skin of the character, like you said beautifully?
Well, the challenge, of course, was learning the lines because I don't speak Telugu, so that took a lot of time and effort, and I don't like the idea of saying a sentence where I don't know what each individual word means. So there was a lot of time spent there, doing a transcription, what each word meant, because it's not the same, right? In English, it can be like, how many are there? Whereas in Telugu, it would be like, many are there, how? Something. So where do you put the how? At the end of the sentence, at the top of the sentence, So that took some time and some effort.
I'm going to ask you to pass that mic to Dalip ji, who seems. Dalip sir, you know we've been a huge fan. You're fantastic when it comes to your.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Is there one?
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo!
That's a huge privilege.
There is some uncanny resemblance beyond just the.
But I'm a little confused now which language to speak in. तो अगर आपको हिंदुस्तानी समझ में आती तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बोलूँगा या अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा, जैसे आपकी मर्जी।
Dalip sir, mix it all. I
तो
would say.
अंग्रेजी में ही बोलता हूँ मैं। हिंदी में बोलूँगा। देखिए ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए बहुत खास पिक्चर है और मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं शेखर कबूला साहब के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ। जब उन्होंने मेरी कहानी सुनाई तो बहुत पसंद आया मुझे, और उससे बड़ी बात क्या है कि मुझे नाग जी, रश्मिका, धनुष जी, जिम और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला। तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ। मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर जानवी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा, और बाकी जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं। और मैं ये मेरी विनती है कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें, क्योंकि हर भाषा में है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, चाहे आप तेलुगु बोलते हैं या तमिल बोलते हैं। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका यहाँ आने का, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, एंड आई विश द फिल्म एवरी सक्सेस।
Dalip sir, is a moment in this film that you will carry with you forever?
Yeah, I will, because the moment for me was to meet this wonderful gentleman Nag again, Mr. Nagarjun, after many years. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago. I met Mr. Nagarjun, and when I saw him on the set, he hasn't aged even one day. I was like, कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यार, ये तो नाग जैसे लगता है, लेकिन था ही वो. It's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Would you please give him the mic and let's ask
Yes,
him
of course.
कैसे हैं ये ageless, the #1 star of South? How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How so? You can't give away some trade secrets, I believe. Is it?
I'll just be, it's just a joke, don't take it seriously. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed.
But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम उसका पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
Oh, lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic?
Yes, ma'am.
South cinema की बात होती है. You are one star, the rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star. Again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of India. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of us. So very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them, and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much. What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our film.
Okay, I'm going to move on to Jim here. Some media questions for you. This is Samina Sheikh from Zoom saying कि regional cinema.
Sorry, can you ask it again, please?
What is the unique thing about you being part of a pan-India film? This is your growth as well as an actor, right?
Yeah, sure. No, I love having, I love being in a South film now, especially with Shekhar Kampula at the head and such incredible producers and a really stacked cast. I mean, what more can you ask for your first South film, and it's going to be dubbed in all, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. It's going to have a pan-Indian release. I think this is more or less the future of Indian cinema is in being pan-Indian as much as possible.
Love that answer. फिल्मी बीच से अभिषेक पूछना चाहते हैं. We know you want to be a part of this movie for the great makers, the lovely actors, but there was one approach that attracted you to this character. वो क्या था? फिल्मी बीच में
Well, I think I wasn't comparable. That is what is the most attractive to me. I believe it is really important to tell this kind of a story and to remember what true wealth is.
Photo. Thank you. हो गया. No. Just one last question to Nag sir before we leave everybody. Should we? आपको याद है?
पे सुन लेंगे.
Phenomenal films in Hindi, and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm, you still have that presence, you still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it?
Just wanted to correct that.
When are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
that
of course.
magic?
No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long, and especially I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit here up here, and that's what they talk about now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
Neither did we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you for the co-producers. Would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors, to all the cast. Sir, would you like to say something?
नहीं डांस फोटो
Everybody, can we please have all of you come up? Thank you very much.
अरे पीछे थोड़ा
बैठना ये
घबरो
भैया
पीछे करो भैया
अरे भाई आगे देख लोग है, आगे भी लोग है भाई. ये लोग सेंटर ये तो हो गया भाई. सोलो
Everybody here is very keen to hear Ram Mohan sir saying thank you. Two words on stage. Rashmika Mandanna.
Butler English today.
No timer, no timer,
No
whatever.
primer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You have to complete it now.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone know Rashmika? So here's the question. आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और वहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपकी जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, and this seems very different, and this seems a very different side of Shekhar as well. तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ? तमिल Okay, wow, உங்களுக்கு. Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You
over
can
here.
go part, it's all good.
Okay,
है ना?
why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay, wow. So, what was the question again?
What was the
Sorry.
character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir and I wanted to work with Nag sir and Nag sir. Like we have this entire we've made this cake and we have put a icing on the cake and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So.
But there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be some days you have to be her. So,
Without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who fully surrenders to my directors and that is the beauty of it क्योंकि directors, each directors have their own flavor. तो इसीलिए I'll somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters and she is extremely different. She is as in I can't reveal too much but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love and the kind of body of work that they brought in. What is the special connect? Let's start with Nagarjun sir, for you. Maybe a memory, a core memory, and now being his co-star.
I love Nag sir. This is the second time I've gotten this opportunity to work with Nag sir, and every time I spend this little time that I get with him, it's just, I'm so fascinated by how he just is. You know, he's effortless, he's just being him.
Smiling the most when your song was going on. I was watching him, he enjoyed every moment of your antics.
You know, I was just telling sir that